Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBud143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to download the page information on Facebook. Suppose you want to download a copy of your Facebook page information at any time. We can download a complete copy or we can select only the types of information and date ranges we want. Log into the Facebook, come to the pages to download a copy of our specific page. Go to that page. Let's check the post in this. Click on settings in left panel. From general under page settings, come to download page option in right panel. Click on edit and it is showing get a copy of your pages, posts, photos, videos and page info. Click on download page. Then we will come into the download your page information page. This file includes posts, photos and videos shared on the page by people who work on the page, a list of people who have the roles on the page, description of pages, current settings and page info. From the about section on top, if we want, we can select the date range and we can choose HTML format, that is easy to view, or a JSON format which could allow another service to easily import it, and select the media quality. Next, to request a copy option, we have the available copies. Here it will show the files that we have created. Click on create file. We are creating a copy of ITBird143A. When the file is ready, we will receive an email or a notification depending on our privacy settings. And we got a copy of ITBird143 is ready. Click on it. Now in available copies, we got our downloaded file. Click on download page. Then it will show the file in compressed format. Let's save this file. But one thing, remember that the link to our file will expire after 4 days. Now come to the downloaded file. To see the content, we need to extract this file. And notice that our copy contains more than one file depending on how much information our request contains. One thing, remember that we need to be admin to download a copy of our page. Come to photos and videos. Let's check the files. Timeline photos. Similarly, let's check videos. Like this, we can download the page information on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.